Larry Wainstein.
Good morning. This meeting was originally scheduled for 5 o'clock today, and it was rescheduled for 11 a.m. Was there a public notice posted, or was it publicized in the newspaper?
The motion was made at a regularly scheduled meeting. It was done properly, in my opinion.
Well, as you already know, the State Comptroller of the State of New Jersey issued a report yesterday. And as a result, Governor Christie made a statement on how bad you are, Mayor Sacco, and how corrupt the organization is. And in case you didn't have an opportunity to watch it, I would like to play it for you.
It's outrageous. I mean, you see the crap that's going on over North Bergen? I mean, bad enough that Nick Sacco's making $300 grand himself. Now he's got the highest paid in-house counsel, who then refers business, hundreds of thousands of dollars of business to the firm that he's a member of, while at the same time he's a full-time employee. And then I love the guy who's been working there since 1988, but can't tell anybody what he's been doing. Well, I kind of got frozen out 20 years ago, but I've been trying to create my own work, I think was his quote. And then when they talked to the business administrator and the other folks, they couldn't agree on what he was or wasn't doing, and then ultimately admitted that he wasn't doing anything. But the one thing we know he was doing was kicking back about $6 grand a year of his money to whatever political cause Boss Sacco wanted him to kick it back to. So I understand from reading the report the comptroller has referred this to the Division of Criminal Justice, a place where I believe it richly belongs. And now I'll let Acting Attorney General Hoffman take it from here, and I will stay back. Because as much as Marcus and I would like to go back and do our own jobs sometimes, we don't get to do that. We have new jobs. But it's outrageous. It's completely outrageous, and it's indicative of the absolute taxpayer waste that exists in North Bergen. It is just outrageous, the unchecked power and abuse of the citizens that the Sacco administration engages in. Outrageous. It almost, makes his salary understandable, because you need to make a lot of money to be that bad.
Mayor Sacco, this is no laughing matter. We're talking about the taxpayer funds, and you're just laughing away. Now, you're the head of the Department of Public Affairs. You're the head of the Department of Public Affairs. You're responsible for every payment, for every voucher, and all the funding that goes to Herb Klitzner and his law firms. You're responsible. And you conspired, and you got Herb Klitzner, the township attorney, and his law firm to conspire against the people of North Bergen. You're cheating, and you're taking money that belongs to the taxpayers for your own personal wealth. Now, Mr. Klitzner, are you willing to take a lie detector test? Because we want to know how much money was transferred back to the mayor and his political accounts. But it's very clear in the state reports that you were requesting money, payoffs, to go back to political accounts from all your attorneys. Are you willing to take a lie detector test? Because if you don't, you should just go to prison. Mayor Sacco, are you willing to take a lie detector test? Denying that you took money from all these law firms. As a matter of fact, when we requested public documents, you immediately hired an attorney to prevent the people of North Bergen from receiving those documents. And you wanted to charge, through your law firm, Mr. Klitzner, $42,000 to prevent the people of North Bergen from receiving those documents. That request was only to enrich yourself, Mr. Klitzner, and your law firm, to take $42,000 from the taxpayers. And we're going to continue to make requests, and we're going to continue to request documents from the Township of North Bergen, because we want to expose the corruption. And this report from the state of New Jersey is an embarrassment. And apparently you never know what's going on. You didn't know what's going on in DPW. You didn't know what's going on at the Board of Education. You just don't know. You don't know. Why are you the mayor if you don't know what's going on? You don't know what's happening in your own law department? You have employees that are getting paid that don't even exist?